SVR. SVR, SVR, SVR. And then I heard something else. A funnel cloud, huh? That can't be good.
The Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Davies County, Stevenson County.
They're getting hit up again. How about it?
At 5:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Nora, or 17 miles southwest of Monroe, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Warren, Cedarville,
now Freeport's gonna...
Dakota, Winslow, Rock City, Ladon, Nora, Vienna Vista, Rock Grove, Oneiko, Orangeville, Elroy, Damascus, Lake Lackawanna State Park, McConnell, Scioto Mills, and Winneshiek.
McConnell.
Take cover now.
Okay.
You're listening.